Many of the big cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have been hit hard by recent events. Their prices have plummeted, but the thing is, there are lots of buyers still looking to make good returns on crypto investments. In this video, we'll be showing you why Safemoon might be one of the best cryptos you can invest in right now, as well as some huge news that might make it reach 1 cent soon. The time to look for the perfect altcoin is now. But with so many to choose from, which is the altcoin that analysts are predicting will be the next big thing? One name that consistently shows up is Safemoon. Safemoon is a newer cryptocurrency that was only launched in March of this year, but is already making strides in the crypto market. It was initially supplied with 1 quadrillion coins, but more than a third of that was burned by the developers. So now there's a supply of about 600 trillion coins. With so many coins in circulation, the price should remain under $1 but still be highly volatile. One amazing thing about Safemoon is the safety measures that the developers have taken, making it less volatile. Safe is in the name of the crypto itself, and one of the measures they've taken is adding a fee for selling Safemoon. There's about a 10% fee for when you sell Safemoon, with 5% of that fee going towards redistribution of the coin to those who already hold it, and the other 5% going towards making Safemoon more liquid by splitting that coin and turning half into BNB, and the other half remaining Safemoon tokens. The selling fee is a very clever feature added by the developers that definitely gives it an edge over its competition.
At Safemoon, of course, the majority of you know the Twitter. If you don't, and you're new watchers right now, or you're new holders, please do follow the Twitter and turn the notifications on because
it's a measure to prevent people from feeling pressured into selling their coins, while also giving more confidence to newer investors interested in the crypto into investing in it, as they know its price won't go down as fast as other cryptos. This does mean that there may potentially be fewer buyers for Safemoon, but the goal for this crypto is slow and steady growth instead of rapid ups and downs. Today, Safemoon is one of the safest investments you can make in crypto. Like a stock without all the rules and regulations, it would be the perfect crypto to invest in if you're a newcomer or transitioning from stocks to crypto. Safemoon's developers are also fond of burning the crypto. Initially, they'd only brought the circulation down to 777 trillion, but after another burning spree, they brought the total number of coins down to 600 trillion. And there are more burnings planned. This might just add some more value to Safemoon by making it more scarce. Part of the reason why Safemoon, despite being a newer, smaller crypto, is being talked about so much is the astronomical success it has already seen in its short life so far. From March to April of 2021, it increased in value by over 20,000%, although it hasn't seen an over 70% drop in price, which is expected after such a ridiculous gain. Imagine earning $20,000 in a month after just investing $1 into something. It's no wonder the price dropped. But there might be no better time to invest in Safemoon other than right now. There's a lot of hype around Safemoon lately, and you should keep a lookout for whenever the next dip is, because that's the best time to invest. The future of Safemoon does seem promising, albeit a bit vague. The Safemoon website promises big things in the future, including its own wallet, a Safemoon app, and even a Safemoon video game.
Hi, I'm John. I'm the CEO of Safemoon. Today, I'll be talking to you guys about the Safemoon Exchange. What makes the Safemoon Exchange great? Well, it's the application of tokenomics across all your cryptos.
Another thing Safemoon developers hope to capitalize on is the largely unbanked African market. If you didn't already know, many African countries have extremely fragile currencies that are usually regulated by extremely corrupt governments. Many people in these African countries have turned to cryptocurrencies as a replacement for their weak currencies. And many analysts believe that these African markets will indeed be the first countries to make the switch from traditional currency to crypto. While Safemoon has already made its plans to reach the African public, what many analysts are predicting is that Safemoon will try to make itself the standard currency in many African countries. And if they can pull it off, it would be huge for anyone who has already invested in Safemoon. So my advice for all of you is invest in Safemoon and hold. If there's one crypto that everyone needs to invest in and hold right now, it's Safemoon. Somewhat related to Safemoon's African expansion is the Project Phoenix. The CEO of Safemoon, John Carney, described the Project Phoenix as the fuel for the freedom of the unbanked. That's quite a mouthful and perhaps a bit ambitious.
It's going to change everything, and of course, as you guys know, we're constantly innovating, so we don't look at that and go, hey, what a great utility. We're like, hey, no, we're definitely going to do something with that.
I mean, we should definitely show more.
But even Bitcoin was laughed at early in 2009, and the only people who made Bitcoin work were the investors and the people who believed in it. Safemoon is no different. There's clearly a purpose to this cryptocurrency, and the developers are set on achieving that purpose. People often forget countries under sanctions or authoritarian governments like Venezuela, Iran, and China. These are all huge markets with billions of people in them. Yet the people in these countries are mostly cut off from the rest of the world, either due to sanctions or due to their governments. On top of all that, add the billions of people in third world countries who either don't have banks or can't make a bank account for dubious reasons. For example, in India, Bangladesh, and Pakistan, Just these 3 South Asian countries that have almost 2 billion people between them, more people have smartphones in each country than bank accounts. In short, smartphone and internet access have become almost universal in the developing world, while bank accounts not so much. In fact, in many developing countries, mobile wallets and mobile payment companies have become huge, much bigger than credit cards or debit cards. The transition these countries would have to make from mobile wallets to crypto wallets would be relatively smooth, and that's the market Safemoon wants to capture. Now, let's talk about Safemoon's technology, or lack thereof. Safemoon actually doesn't have some sort of huge mechanism behind it. It's just the standard Bitcoin blockchain. Overall, Safemoon acts as more of a storage of money. The whole purpose is to get people to start buying and imitating the success of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in the past. This might be considered a weakness by some, but it's actually a benefit. People don't have to worry about failed technological upgrades that the developers will constantly add. The whole Safemoon system will remain as usual, leading to no confusion. It also means that even a toddler will be able to figure out how to invest in Safemoon. And the one thing Safemoon desperately needs right now is more investors. Its value is purely speculative, but there are measures put in place to prevent its price from dropping too much. It combined all the good aspects of a free market cryptocurrency with the regulated stock market, without most of the bad parts of either. In recent times, Safemoon has become one of the most watched cryptocurrencies on websites like CoinDesk, sometimes reaching the top 3. Many people have already invested in it, and many others are looking for the perfect time to invest. If you've been keeping up with any crypto-related Discord or chat room recently, you'll know that Safemoon investors tend to be the most loyal, and many of them are holding it for the long run, waiting for its price to explode as it reaches the African markets. Safemoon has shown time and time again that it can manage to recover close to its peak, and the current trends show that the time for it to reach 1 cent might be in the near future.
Yeah, that's all I'll say on that. We are pushing so hard. Look at the exchange listings, look at the area we're moving to. We're constantly striving for more.
It's almost a guarantee that when the crypto markets recover, Safemoon will see some of the largest increases in value. As it's new, its price is currently low, and it has so much potential to grow. So at the end of the day, should you invest in Safemoon? Clearly, there are ups and downs when it comes to investing in any cryptocurrency. But with Safemoon, there are mostly ups. The crypto has shown a lot of promise, has a past of great performance, it has plans for the future, especially when it comes to developing countries, and there is still so much hype for this cryptocurrency. Just take a look at any crypto forum and Safemoon will be one of the most hotly debated coins.
If you guys take a look at the Twitter @Safemoon, of course the majority of you know the Twitter. If you don't and you're new watchers right now or you're new holders, please do follow the Twitter and turn the notifications.
And yes, some people will be warning you against it, but most people will be investors or people looking to invest. There is clearly no hotter altcoin that you can invest in right now. And we can safely say, if you invest in Safemoon, you won't regret it. Let us know in the comment section below what you think of the clues and information gathered up till now. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you in the next one.